Faculty, which one of you is our tuition dollars at work, and which one of you is our tuition dollars at play? Get set! Go!
I think this is my second or third year doing canoe races.
Are you the ones who just sabotaged it?
It's pretty awesome. It's my fave.
At the Afternoon Delights and the Titanic
Just made finals.
Okay, we got left side.
Come on, you got 4 seconds, come on. Do it again.
Hey, we're glad to be back.
We are back on top. The key is understanding what the structure of the competition is. A prelim final meet. Prelims, all you got to do is get into the finals.
That's right.
Which is what we get 6th place, I think, coming in.
Fun. Just right where we want to be.
We even tip the canoe to let them think, boy, these guys don't know what they're doing, and then we know when to bring our A game.
That's right. That's right.